Today I'm going on an adventure to see the dentist. The dentist helps keep my teeth and gums healthy and clean.
Okay, Tom. Are you ready to go?
Yes, Mom, I'm coming. We get in the car and drive to the dentist. I'm feeling a little nervous, but my mom reassures me.
Don't worry, the dentist is very friendly. They're here to help.
I walk into the dental clinic with my mom. A friendly receptionist smiles at me and welcomes me into the dental clinic.
Hi, Tom. The dentist is excited to see you today. Have a seat in the waiting room and the nurse will call you when they're ready.
I sit on the chair waiting patiently for the dentist to call out my name. There are other people in the waiting room who are also sitting and waiting to see the dentist.
Hi, Tom. The dentist is ready to see you.
Tom, I've been expecting you. My name is Dr. Vith and I'm a dentist. I make sure that your teeth are healthy and clean.
The dentist room has a big chair with some shiny tools.
Now, Tom, it might look a little different, but that's okay. Everything here is to help your teeth feel great.
Yes, don't worry, Tom. Do you want to see how the dental chair works?
Yes, please.
Alright, hop on the chair. Are you ready? Okay, now, the chair will go up and back. It might feel a little bit like you're falling.
Dr. Vith, can I ask you a question?
Of course you can.
Why are you wearing a mask and gloves?
That's an excellent question. The reason I wear a mask is to make sure I don't spread any germs from my mouth. I also wear gloves to keep everything extra clean and safe.
Wow, and what's all those tools on the tray?
I'll show you. This is my little mirror. It allows me to see better so I can make sure I count all of your teeth. And this is my pointer. I'm going to use this to point at your teeth to help me count. How many teeth do you think you have, Tom?
100?
100? I really hope not. I'm going to be here all day if you have that many teeth. Alright, Tom, let's count your teeth. So first, I need you to open your mouth really wide. Oh, well done. Now, I'm going to put my mirror in your mouth to help me see a little better. Okay, let's count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you have 10 teeth on the top. Now let's continue counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. You have 20 teeth altogether. Your teeth are looking nice and healthy. I bet you're brushing your teeth every day.
Yes. I brush my teeth once in the morning and once at nighttime before bed for 2 minutes.
Well done, Tom. And just like that, you're all done.
Wow, that was so easy.
It really is. Okay, let me sit you back up. The chair will go 1, 2, 3, and up. Tom, you did so well today. And because you did so well, I'm going to give you a sticker for being a brave boy.
Wow, a tooth sticker.
I am so proud of you, Tom.
That was so much fun, Mom. I can't wait for my next checkup.
Don't worry, Tom. We'll see you again soon for your next checkup. Until then, bye-bye for now.